Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to watch members-only videos on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app or website on your device. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Next, use the search bar at the top of the screen to find the channel that offers paid memberships. You can type the name of the channel exactly as it appears, then press enter or tap the search icon. Once you are on the channel page, look for the join button. The join button is usually located next to the subscribe button near the top of the page. Click or tap the join button. After clicking join, YouTube will display the membership options available for that channel. You may see different membership levels with various prices and perks. Choose the membership level that suits you best. You will then need to add a payment method. YouTube accepts several payment options including credit cards, debit cards, and some other local payment methods. Enter the required information carefully. Double-check that all details are correct, then confirm your payment. Once your payment is processed, you will officially become a member of the channel. This membership allows you to access members-only videos and other perks the channel offers. Thanks for watching.